Chapter 1 Real Numbers. First bit, use Euclid's division algorithm to find HCF of first one 900 and 270. We know Euclid's division algorithm. A is equal to BQ plus R, where 0 less than R less than B. Here what are A, B? A is equal to 900, B is equal to 270. Now we have to divide 900 with 270. 270, 27 3 is 81. So 273 is 810. 0, 9. So we can be write as this 900 is equal to 270 into 3 plus 90. Dividend is equal to, we know dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Next, taking this 270 as dividend and 90 as divisor, we have to divide. 9 3 is 27. 93 is 270. So 0 as remainder. This can be written as 270 is equal to 90 into 3 plus 0. 90 into 3 plus 0. So this last divisor is the HCF of 900 and 270. Therefore, HCF of 900 and 270 is 90. Second problem, 196 and 38,220. So here A is equal to 38,220 and B is equal to 196. Taking 196 as divisor and 38,220 as dividend, we have to divide. 196 nearer to 200, so 2 2s are 400, not possible. So 1s are 196. 12 minus 6, 6. 17 minus 9, 8. 2 minus 1, 1. $196 nearer to 200, so 2 9s are 2 10s are 20, 2 9s are 18. So it is divisible by 9s are 9 6 are 54. 9 9 are 81, 86. 9 1s are 9, 8 17. 12 minus 4 8. 5 15 minus 6 9, 0. So here 0. 2 5s are 10, so this is nearer to 1000. So 5s are 5 6 are 30, 5 9s are 40, 5 48, 5 1s are 5 9. So we can write it 38,220 is equal to 196 into 195 plus 0. Therefore, HCF of 38,220 and 196 is 196. This is the divisor. Third problem, HCF of 1651 and 2032. Here A is equal to 2032, B is equal to 1651. So with 1651 we have to divide 2032. 1651 ones are 1, 13 minus 5 8, 9 minus 6 3 0. Now 381 as divisor and 1651 as dividend. 381 4 4s are 60. So 4s are 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32, 4 3s are 12, 15, 11 minus 4, 7, 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 5, 1, 381, 3s are 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6, 8, 3 1s are 3. So 0. So we can write like this: 1651, 1651. No, 2032 is equal to 1651 into dividend is called divisor into quotient plus remainder into 1 plus remainder 381. Again 1651 is equal to 381 into 4 plus 127. Now take this 381 is equal to 127 into 3 plus 0. So this is the last divisor. Therefore HCF of 1651 and 2032 is 127. Second problem, use Euclid's division lemma to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5, where q is some integer. Let a be any odd positive integer. Odd positive integer, and b is equal to 6. We apply the Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid's division algorithm. We know a is equal to bq plus r, where 0 less than or equal r less than b. The possible remainders are the possible remainders are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is, a can be of the form a can be the form a can be of the form 6q or 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 2 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 4 or 6q plus 5, where q is the quotient. Where q is the quotient. But a is taken as an odd number. But a is taken as an odd number. Therefore, a can't be of the form 6q or 6q plus 2 or 6q plus 4. Therefore, any odd positive integer is integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. So in this way you can solve the problems 3, 4 and 5. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, you immediately subscribe and share it to your friends.